All right, let's see what we got on this flared auto emergency kit. Comes in a big metal box, and it has a lot of stuff. Looks like it has everything you would need, and they're marketing it towards women to buy for your wife, but honestly, I just like that it's organized. You have your emergency light, emergency light, bottle of water, the soap. More importantly though, let's get to the good stuff. It does have the jumper cables, toolkit, tower gauge. So it's really, to me, a pretty good setup for first time they're using the car. First car someone owns. Maybe you don't need as strong the Sport Bean, but honestly, I think it's a pretty good gift to have. Oh, it has the cute logo there too. Pepper spray. So it kind of covers everything you need. An emergency for the phone, battery charger, keep it charged. What do we got over here? First aid kit. So it really does have everything you need, and I do like, now that I messed it up terribly, I kind of like that it has it all in a nice container. See, it has here in the guidebook what to do on certain things, accident report form, glossy car terms, but honestly, I think it really works for any gender, because if some college kid has it readily available instead of a messy backseat of their car, more apt to use it. Very nice setup.